Well, you guys know, I finally had this kind of installed, and the angle is off on this catalytic converter. The angle to the pipe is off, so I can't actually bend this where it actually meets the bolts. So I'm gonna have to take this off and then put the old one back on. So I guess if you guys are buying a used, or no, if you guys are buying a non-OEM part, just know that there is a good chance that you guys would spend so much work taking the old one off and then trying to put the new one on, and realize that if the angle is off on the cat, you're not going to be able to put it back on, which is the case here, which I spent a couple hours working on this, and I'm not going to be able to use this cat because I had the bottom. Originally I had the top of this bolted in, and then I was working on the bottom. I noticed that I couldn't connect the pipe to the lower portion of this cat. So I was thinking maybe I could move the cat, maybe I could move the pipe, you know, when I have it hooked up. And I have it hooked up from the bottom. I have it hooked up on the bottom here, and now I can't put the top back in place, and it just has to be off a certain angle as far as the cat is concerned, and you're not going to be able to put this back on. Now I'm going to have to see what I need to do as far as this situation is concerned. I mean, the only thing I could do at this point, since I have the cat off, I might be able to try to clean the cat and reuse it. I'm not sure. I know Scotty, I know there's another channel that actually dropped the cat in some laundry detergent in a bucket overnight. I don't have that much time, so I'm not going to be able to do anything with this new cat at this point. The only thing I can do is put the old cat back in. Now that I have it out, I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. Like, what can I do to actually clean this? If I actually can clean it at all. They actually put me in a situation, these guys, because I mean, it's not the cost of the cat. The cost of the cat was a fairly expensive part, $350. But the fact that I gotta spend that much work and then taking this down and having to put, it's the work involved. It's just insanely ridiculous at this point. I'm more than disappointed. I'm just flabbergasted at the whole entire situation. You know, I was hoping to get this cleared up so that I could do an inspection on this. I'm not going to be able to. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do an inspection on this at this point because of how off it is. You know how you know, I'm not going to be able to wait for another cat. And I don't want to spend all that time taking the cat out and taking this out again, putting it back in. It's just absolutely tedious. I wouldn't have to do this if they actually got it right to begin with. It looked kind of right. But it's not.